You know something, boyo? I think you could do a real number on one of these columns, holding up this place and bring the whole thing down in just a few swipes. Boom, boom, boom!
Wreck my father's finely crafted architecture every chance I get. That I can do for sure.
Ow, nice.
That's a new one. All set.
Hey, not bad.
Again.
Family. Death is your only family. Death and I. Best get accustomed to the both of us.
No, not on your life. What's Uncle Poseidon doing here?
I have to tell you something, little Hades. My relatives and I, we've been holding back one of our greatest gifts to see if you were worthy. And you are.
Oh, what's this? The wrath of Poseidon at my beck and call. And don't come back. You can't stop me. Shiny. Let me see. For the house. You're nothing. That should do it. Perfect. Doomstone. Hide. with that.
Ah, my favorite underworld death dealer. I so look forward to the pain you shall inflict this time around.
The will to fight.
What is that portal thing there on the ground?
Hey, how'd you get your hands on a nice bow like that? You take good care of Coronat for me, so I can try it too once you're up here.
So all I need to do is sacrifice some of my life essence to go in here.
I don't see why not. Who or what is that?
The fathomless expanses hidden in darkest corners of the underworld stretch well past the notice of Lord Hades himself. And yet, the interfering prince somehow discovers passage there.
Wasn't all that hard to find, really. This is not someone I recognize.
So, in the name of Hades, hello, may I ask who's calling?
The beings have all grown soft. Would you not agree?
Have we met?
Although we have met, in a way, I know everybody here and there. You wish to leave this place? Then it is my wish to make your doing so a little bit more.
I'll have to withstand the whims of chaos to extract the benefits a few chambers from now.
May I help you?
The fates are being kind, I guess. clear. Always a pleasure, Charon. Sweet. We meet again.
Listen to me, Zagreus. Your mother is long gone. You're never getting out of here, and even if you did, what hope could you possibly have in finding her up in the world out there?
I've hope enough. Not that it's any of your business anymore.
Your family is here, and so is your responsibility. You're running from yourself. Though, I can slow you down a bit, I think.
Curse of chaos. Got you. My Chaos Bone switched to a new effect. Let's hear it, Father. Heading up. Ugh, this heat.
Got something here for you. Should make your battles to the death end that much quicker.
Time to go. as well. Let's see.
Within the underworld's quietest, most solitary, darkest abyss lies hidden evidence of the beginning of all things, of chaos, the most ancient sculptor that has shaped this world.
I'd best take all the evidence I find. In the name of Hades.
It's acceptable.
You'll not do so. Until next time, gigantic Gorgon Head. My senses sharpen. Course is set. The curse of chaos has been lifted. Delicious. just like your stupid heads. Don't come back.
You wouldn't dare.
This one. Next region. Nice and cool up here. She'll get this bow back into tip-top shape. cleaned up. Who's first? More coming. Saved some for everyone. Flame wheels. Die! Feeling good. Should help keep me going. It's the butterfly ball. Should deal with that butterfly ball. It's me or them. You're late. No, you don't. Coin for Charon. Regenerating. That's good. Here goes nothing. I can use this. The dead had better hide. That boon got better, huh? Hey everyone, I'm back.
So, the Fiend returns to challenge us again, Asterius, despite having experienced such a thorough thrashing by us last time.
You know full well that wasn't a fair fight. Face me yourself and we'll see how you...
Silence, you monster! I'll hear no more such wicked lies, half-truths, or quarter-truths. You, however, soon shall hear my Look out, Asterius!
Such a spectacle, is it not? Hold, you unwelcome pustule! I shall run you through! And I shall happily escort you out. Lady Aphrodite, I invoke your aid!
The gods are helping him.
It shall take more than that! Fiend, who taught you such sloppy technique? Now, Hellspawn!
That'll teach him.
I can't seem to open it. I'll take the service exit, thanks. Long way from home. Clear.
The willful prince has ventured all the way up to the surface of the mortal realm, yet still he is encased within the earth itself. The gateway to the underworld, a threshold from...
We'll see about that. Oh no, not this.
The multi-headed Cerberus stands vigilant before the underworld's entryway. The tales of what happens to those foolish enough to attempt to pass are far too graphic to describe.
So it's really come to this, boy. After everything we've been through. Well then, this is how it has to be. No, but seriously, boy. I know why you're here. There has to be a way to make you look the other way. What if I helped you with the satyr problem? Would you let me go? Please. I have to find Persephone. My mother. You know what this means to me.
After a moment's hesitation and deliberation, the voracious Hound of Hell barks once, affirmatively toward the prince, who sets off in search of something that can sate the monster's appetites.
Good. Now I just need to head off the beaten path here and see what I can find. Here goes. What? Not poisoned at the moment, thanks. Oh, it's just a tiny vermin. Oh, gods. Poison cure. vicious and so tiny. Hope this can get me out of here. I'm back. Oh, lots on offer here. I'll take it. Satyr tunnels. Poisoned. Better. Oh no! Blasted satyrs.
You had a run-in with those nasty satyrs all the way up in the Temple of Styx, huh? I can't even imagine the sheer agony having their lethal poison coursing through my body.
I'd bring some for you if I could.
Pardon the interruption, everyone. She is gone, boy. She is gone. You are never going to locate her. I thought you would have come to that conclusion for yourself by now. But apparently it must be said.
You mean Mother? How would you even know? You said reaching the surface was impossible as well, and I'm in striking distance.
This is my final warning to you, boy. To cease this mindless quest. Or else the consequences shall be worse than what you have experienced thus far.
Sorry, Father. I'm not afraid of you. Cerberus is still at work, I guess.
I've done the best I could preparing him, though I'm fearful it was not enough. No one ever has escaped this place.
Your expertise has readied him, Achilles. Yet I sense it is your confidence in him which spurs him on. Do not lose faith in yourself now, lest soon he do the same.
My faith is prone to shakiness at times. Whoa, a rod of fishing. Here. Here are the gems. I positively cannot wait to see what sorts of foul creatures I'll dredge up with this.
Cheap blessing from Poseidon on a stick and nothing more.
Here. The underworld could always use a little extra renovating, right?
Keep it down.
Yes. What do you want from me? Leave me alone.
I was just checking up on you. Just let me know if you wanted to talk for any reason.
I'm not interested in having company, especially from you. You stay the hell away while I'm off duty.
Achilles in the spotlight.
The ancient casks of wine hidden within the recesses of the House of Lord Hades. Few have tasted the intoxicating...
Still waiting for the festive occasion when we'll open one of these.
Hi. Your Highness, I just wanted you to know that if you do get out, we are going to miss you around here. Okay, so, bye.
Thanks. That definitely came to pass. Achilles' Codex. I'm getting somewhere with it. I can get stronger. I think that should do it. I'll sleep when I'm dead.
Little tip, boyo. You find any coinage while you're out there, you be sure to pawn it off to that old Chiron. Boatman guy, use it or lose it, pal. Use it or lose it.
Thanks, mate. Note to self, always spend everything I earn instead of ever saving. The path toward the surface lies somewhere beyond all that.